In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. This can be an incredibly useful tool for gathering opinions, making decisions as a team, or simply getting a sense of how everyone is feeling about a particular topic. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the details needed to create your first poll seamlessly. First, you'll need to open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. Once you have it open, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You should see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all the available tools and integrations that can enhance your Slack experience. Next, in the search bar, type in keywords like poll or survey to find an app that best suits your needs. Slack has a variety of apps designed for polling, so browse through the options to see which one resonates with you. Each app will have its own features and capabilities, so it's worth taking a moment to consider what you specifically want from a poll app. Once you've identified a poll app that looks promising, click on its name to get more details. When you're ready to proceed, look for a button that says either Add to Slack or Install. Clicking this will start the installation process, bringing the app into your Slack workspace. After selecting Add to Slack, you'll likely be prompted to approve certain permissions. These permissions could include access to your messages, the ability to post to channels, or other functionalities necessary for the app to work. It's normal and necessary, but always a good idea to review these permissions to understand what you're authorizing. With the app now successfully added to your Slack workspace, it's time to create your poll. This process will vary slightly depending on the app you've chosen, but generally you will follow the app's specific instructions for setting up a poll. Typically, this involves inputting the question you want to ask your team. Be clear and concise with your question to ensure you get the most accurate responses. Next, you'll want to set up the answer options that your teammates can choose from. Ensure that these options cover all possible responses you might expect to get from your team members. Clear, well-defined answer choices can help prevent any confusion and make it easier for your team to respond accurately. Now that your poll is ready, it's time to select the channel where you want it to be posted. Think about where it will be most effective, whether it's a general channel for broader feedback or a more specific channel for targeted input. The final step is to send the poll to your team. Once posted, your teammates can start voting and you'll be able to see the feedback roll in. It's a fantastic way to engage with your team and gather valuable insights quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in Slack. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you foster collaboration and decision-making within your teams.